So in last session we have completed exception and email automation. So today we are going to cover orchestrator. So orchestrator is very important in terms of unattended automations, then trigger, then scheduling of bot. There are lots of features available with orchestrator, but in general, what is the orchestrator? Orchestrator is nothing but it is a web-based application. Uh, you may have observed most of the things you are just going to see through a cloud or some web. Through that you can understand what is the status of your different products. Same concept is used in orchestrator, where we can observe, we can monitor our task, those we can run through our UiPath. So mostly this orchestrator and RE frameworks are considered in its advanced topics. Orchestrator and RE framework, these are building blocks of UiPath. So when you are talking about important topic of UiPath, this orchestrator and RE frameworks comes into the discussion. So you should concentrate on these two mostly in terms of interview perspective. You might have questions on most of the questions you might be asked on orchestrator. Those are very critical to understand and in RE framework. So RE framework and orchestrator, you have to go in very deeply. You have to understand, since these are the bit advanced topics, it might get tough to understand or difficult to capture the things, but you have to just repeat the same things again and again, then you can easily understand what are the important things that you have to understand in these topics. So firstly, we'll just understand what is orchestrator, how to interact with the orchestrator, and then we'll demonstrate, or we can understand how you can establish orchestrator, how we can connect your orchestrator to your UiPath Studio. So that we'll discuss in today's session. Hope my screen is visible.
Yes.
Okay, so Orchestrator is at the core of UiPath platform, which provides management capabilities for automations and robots. So management capabilities in terms of what? It manages different automations. Manages means it can controls, it can run, it can start, it can stop, it can kill, it can observe how it's going on. So all types of things can be done by this orchestrator. This can be applied in a small deployments as well as at enterprise scale. Means if you have thousands of process, then all these process you can just deploy in this orchestrator, and through orchestrator you can run. So as this is a very high level task or high level things you can observe in this orchestrator. So for this orchestrator, what are important things that you should understand, you should learn? First thing is main capabilities of orchestrator. What is the main purpose? What are the capabilities of orchestrator that we have? Then what are different entities that orchestrator belongs to? Then how you can create, configure and provide unattended robots? How to establish the connection between your robots orchestrator? How to execute job? How to use triggers? How to schedule the triggers? Then how to add machines, etc, etc. These all contents, all things we have to learn in today's session. So let me remind you, when we have started our first session, at that session, how we have started? Can anybody remember what we have done in first session? We have downloaded our UiPath Studio, right?
Yes.
From which web you have downloaded your UiPath Studio? Hello.
UiPath, yeah, you are asking about the URL or browser, sir, because there was the UiPath.
URL or browser? I'm asking about URL. Through which
UR,
URL you have downloaded your UiPath Studio?
UiPath .com.
Yes, cloud.uipath.com.
Yes, yes,
Perfect answer. So when we are logging into cloud.uipath.com, you might get the user interface where lots of things were available there, right? So
yes, sir.
that is a orchestrator cloud. That is called as orchestrator cloud. So everything is, interacted with that orchestrator. Whenever you wanted to download any of like a studio setup or anything, that we can say that is a orchestrator. So through orchestrator we can have all these things to be installed. We can't say exactly orchestrator, but that is a your iPath platform where we have all the components available there orchestrated down. So the thing is, in orchestrator we have lots of components and we have to manage all these things by using this orchestrator. So let me tell you what are the architecture that we are generally using. So we have a UiPath Studio, as already you are using UiPath Studio, and there is user. So in between user and this UiPath Studio, we have a UiPath orchestrator. So what happens? How is the process we are establishing? Initially, what we are doing, we are just using UiPath Studio to develop your bot or you develop your project. So by using drag and drop functionalities, you can just create your project. For example, already we have developed different use cases. For example, for PDF automation, we have created one process for extracting invoices and like storing those in an Excel file. So that we have seen in a PDF automation. So same types of process you can build by using UiPath Studio. That is the first task of any RPA developer. So developing your project in UiPath Studio, that is the first step. So after developing the project, that project should be run somewhere, that should be executed somewhere. What is the place exactly where we can run those project or process? So that we can run by two different ways. Either we can run locally by just clicking on run command, you can get the solution. For by using UiPath Studio only we'll get the solution. But if we are expecting to run the same process in unattended mode means where human is not required. We are just expecting at 10 o'clock. Let's consider it at 10 o'clock, I may get results. For example, let us consider PDF automation case. I have 10 invoices coming daily every like 10 o'clock at morning, and I want all the invoices details. For example, invoice amount, invoice number, invoice date in one Excel file every day at 10 o'clock. So that is my expectation, and I am not like free to run the bot. I want unattended mode. I want only result. I'm not caring about where it is running. I'm not thinking about that. I want just result. So in that case, if we want to run the process in unattended mode where we are not present, so in that case, your orchestrator comes into the picture. So UiPath Orchestrator is the web-based application where you can store or publish your package, whatever project you have created by using UiPath Studio. That project you can publish into the orchestrator, and you can schedule that project or process at a certain interval of time. And whenever you are scheduling the bot, automatically your bot will be run or trigger, and you will get the results whatever you are expecting. So this is your first step to create project. This is second step to publish the project into the orchestrator. Third thing, you have to create folders, and you have to assign robots for that. That is fourth step. And then you can run by using whatever the trigger you want to run. So this is a 5 steps process, guys. Orchestrator, like unattended automations, you can see by these 5 steps. Any questions here?
One question, Sunil sir. So
Yeah.
once we develop the bot and we publish and it goes to the orchestrator and the then orchestrator deploys and monitors, and so is that like once we like develop the project, it will like go to this orchestrator and then will deploy from orchestrator to the required entities or the whatever, like you can say the, it would act like as intermediary, or how is it?
Yes, yes. So Orchestrator, basically Orchestrator is web-based application which monitors, which deploys the things. Exactly location will be decided by us only. So this is a intermediator where we can store our project in specific machines. So to deploy the process, we need machine that we have to add. So
Okay.
how to add machines? We have lots of virtual machines available. Among all the virtual machines, you can take any one virtual machines. So I'll tell you what things are necessary to deploy your process in this orchestrator.
Okay.
But this
And
is the intermediator only. This is only used to monitor and deploy the things. Actually, this is not exactly location where we are deploying. The location is different, but this acts as an intermediator.
okay, sir. And you said the unattended robot. So do we need to monitor those as well? Because once we tried and tested and the project is successful, so we know that it won't give us any error in future. So do we have to keep a track on it, or we don't have to check once it is like gone through the orchestrator? Will not have any record, or will not keep an eye on that. Is it like that, or do we need to check
Actually,
unattended?
yeah, yeah, got it. Thank you so much. This is really nice question, as because it's very important thing to understand what happens if we have already deployed the bot, or we are deploying the bot. Then what is next step? That is the question you asked. That is very important question. So after deploying the bot, as already we discussed about exception handling. So in exception handling, what we are doing, if there is any exception, then we are sending email to the user. And one more thing, if there is any successful result, then we should get a successful email. So everything, whenever you are developing your project, you should take care. What happen if our process is successful? What happen if there is business exception or any exception? So for every times we should get email. Either if there is any exception, we should get email, or there is any success, we'll get email. For both cases, we should get email. Now the thing is, when you are deploying your process into the orchestrator, what happens? You, as you are running unattended, you are just giving schedule. For example, every day at 10 o'clock your bot will run. I'll showcase you everything, but for temporarily I'm just understanding the points very carefully. Now what will happen after running your bot every 10 o'clock? Process will, let's see, it taking 5 minutes. So what will happen? We have already added logs into our process. So by using logs, we can track the process, what is happening with process. But that is not mandatory. After 5 minutes, your bot will get successful and you will get results by email. No need to keep eye on your process. In case you are getting error email, that case only you can just go through your logs and you can see what is happening with your process. Until unless there is no error, you won't go there. No need to go there and understand what is happening there.
Okay, so we'll be notified through email if there is any error. So we'll come to know
Yes.
this robot is like having some error. So we need to go there and fix it on.
Yes, perfect
Oh,
answer.
okay, sir.
So that is general architecture of UiPath orchestrator. We will see how we can add machine, how we can add, or how we can publish our process in orchestrator. That we will see. No worries. Any other questions? No? Okay. Now, how to connect robot to orchestrator? As we have seen, there are three important components of orchestrator. First one is a UiPath. First one is a UiPath Studio. Second one is a UiPath Robot, and third one is a orchestrator. Now, whenever you wanted to deploy your process into orchestrator, there should be some robot to run your process. So, how to connect your robot to orchestrator? That is very important to understand. Now, how we can redirect to or navigate to orchestrator. First you have to log into orchestrator, then you have to go into the admin tenant, add tenants, add license, etc. This process I'll tell you. Then you have to create one folder, because right now the folder uh, modern folder architecture UiPath is brought, and we have to follow that. Then you have to create machine, then robot configuration, machine key, and we have to add user, etc. How we can, will see that by using practical, because virtually you can't understand. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So first thing is you have to log into this orchestrator. How we can go for that? You have to just go into your browser, just use cloud.uipath.com. As you are using that, you might get some user interface. Guys, this is very important. If you don't have any connections, then it's very difficult for you to understand. Okay, great. So this is a user interface, guys. Initially you can find whenever you are logging into uipath.com. Here at left side you could see home, orchestrator, studio, apps, integration service, admin, etc. Already you have created your tenants, so I don't think you don't have this. But if you don't have default tenant, you can click on manage, and you can just add your tenant name. So licenses, already we are using community community license, so we are getting two attended and two unattended licenses. If you want to add enterprise license, then you can add, but it is having some cost, so we can't bear right now. Let me go back, so you can add tenants as per your requirement. Now second tab is orchestrator, where we are actually dealing. Most of the work is at orchestrator only, so just click on orchestrator, and here we go where we can start our work. So this is very important, where we are working all time. No, whenever you are just going cloud.uipath.com, always click on orchestrator. Whenever you are clicking on orchestrator, then this user interface comes into the picture. Till now, any questions how to go into the orchestrator?
How to add the tenant, sir? Could you please repeat that once?
Can you
Like,
please share your screen so that I'll just tell,
sure, sir.
at least you can just follow the same. Let me stop sharing. Yeah, already you have started with your pass, so already your tenant is added, so you are at right place.
Okay.
Click on home, click on home. So default tenant is already there. 46 days ago you have installed UiPath Studio, so this is already created, so no need to
Okay.
go into default tenant, directly click on orchestrator.
Okay, sir.
So in orchestrator there are different folder structure. In tenant, just click on tenant. You can see, yeah. That is the tenant. So in tenant, we have a different tabs available like robots, folders, monitoring, manage access, machines, package, credentials, then webhooks, license settings, alert, etc. So don't worry about all the tabs. I will go one by one. First tab you should understand that is a folder. Previously, when UiPath was working with only default structure of folders, this folder option was not there. Only we have to just create robot and machine, and then we can directly connect to the UiPath Studio. But right now the structure has been changed. So first step is, because previously what was situation there, uh, we have access for default folders and no need to create folders. But here you have to create the folders and accordingly you have to give the permission. That is the difference. So now if you want to create folder and give the access, then how we can do that I'll tell you. So whenever you are working first time, you have to click on tenant firstly. First click orchestrator, then click on tenant, then click on folders. So these three steps you should remember, guys, because most of times what happens, you are working with UiPath and you are creating the folder and you are giving the access. So what happens,
Hello.
I think sir got disconnected.
Yeah.
hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So most of times you are not following me and you might be confused. Sir, I'm not able to find out folder option. So that should not be followed. That should not be, missed. Once again, I'm telling you, first click on orchestrator, left side panel, orchestrator, then click on tenant, which is coming at top. Then click on tenant, then go into the folder, click on folder. And after clicking on folder, you might see manage folder option. So at manage folder, you have to add one folder. So just click on plus. After clicking on plus, just put your name like RPA, November, December, you can put. That is your customized name. You can put any name. But remember, this name is very important. Don't put any space. You can put underscore in between RPA, November or what. Or you can put your what is better for you, RPA Autobot or something. You can put anything. Okay, RPA November, that is perfect. At the bottom you can add some description, or otherwise you can just go ahead with the tenant package feed. So whenever your package will create, wait, okay, no problem. So whenever your package is created, that package will be directly go to the tenant, and from there you have to add. So now click on RPA November. So here your folder is created. So all automations, processes, you can just add to this folder and you can run as per your convenient schedule. So first step is you have to add folders for your process. Okay. Second step is folder is added. Second step is you have to add a machines. As I think we talked. No, here, not here. Whenever we were initially discussing about where the bot should run, since orchestrator is only for monitoring, where bot should run. So bot should run in the specific machine. So that machine you have to add. Machine means the system where your bot is running. Right now your local desktop is considering as a machine. Okay, so that is the machine you have to add. So just click on machines at top. Don't click at the folder. Whenever you are adding machine, first you have to add machines at the high level, that is tenant level. Okay, you should understand, you have to add machines at tenant level, not local level. So click on add machines. Now the thing is, you have to add machine. Which machines you want to add? Which machines you want to add? So in real time, whenever there are lots of servers available, in that case you should know your machine name. Here also you should know your machine name. How to find out your machine name? So in command prompt you can just use who am I. Go into command prompt, cmd, who am I. It should be continuous who am I. It should not be any spaces in between the two words. So your system name is Windows/om. So om is your user name. Just a second. So you can put that full Windows C users on what Windows/om. Just copy that.
Sorry, sir. I was like my connection was disconnected, so I couldn't. Could you please repeat? Hello,
Use
can you
who
hear me,
am
sir?
I once again.
Again, it's there. No? Do I need to copy this user om?
You just once again type who am I. Who am I?
I
Okay. So Windows/om. Windows/om that you have to copy. Windows/om.
Windows. This one above one.
Yes, yes, yes.
Control C. No.
Yes. Just go into the add machine. Okay, now in add machines, you have multiple options: machine template, standard machine, elastic, robot pool. Machine template and standard machine. In interview, there might be question: what is the difference between machine template and standard machine? So machine template is the machine where you have a different robots may be connected. It might be uh, if you are connecting sometimes to this machine by X robot and sometimes Y robot. So there might be different robots. In that case, you can use machine template. But if you have a fixed robot, then in that case, you can use standard machine. So just click on standard machine. Here we can have name of your machine. Just copy and paste. Control V. Okay, go down. Here are lots of options. You can just write description, then labels and all. So here you can add production one and testing one robot. In place of 0, you can just add 1. Click provision. Click on provision. Success. Your machine is added, and you can just close here. Just close. Now your machine is added. You could see Windows/om. That machine is already added. This is a second step, guys. First step is create folder. Second step is add machine. Third step. Now you have to click on folders where you have created that folder. Which folder you have created?
RPA November.
November. Yes. Go to that folder. Now click on machines here. Manage machines in the folder. And you can just click on Windows/om. No. You have already added
Yes.
machines at tenant
Yes.
side. Just you have to manage there. Just click there, select that one, and you can update. Now you can see your machine is added to your folder. two important things you might understand. First thing is we are adding machine at tenant level, and right now we are adding your machine to your folder. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you have to add robots.
And then this.
Now you have to add your robots. So you can just click on three dots at your machine. You could see users, and at users machine now machine is already added, so no need to worry about machine. Now you have to just add users or robots. So just click on users and three dots which is available at bottom. Three dots, human
This
icon,
one.
and then three dots. Yes, click on that more actions and edit. Just click on edit. Now you have to add robots here. Username, it should be like a who am I, that username you should use. Do you have password for your system?
Password, yes.
Okay, use username here. It's
Windows.
not adding, updating. First check if it's able to edit or not. Sometimes it's not editing.
Not editable, sir.
Okay, no problem. Just click on next. Please go down.
Next.
Please go down because I'm not able to see what is there. Okay, enable to run this automation, enable a personal works for this user. Okay, just click next. Allow unattended robots to run this. Just check allow unattended and
Update.
just click on update. Yeah, update. Okay, now just check what are the roles. Just close, just save successful close. Now once again click on
Folders.
no RP November folders and RP
Okay.
November. First folders and then RP November. Folders first, click on folders always. Tenant,
Okay.
tenant, first
Tenant.
tenants, then
Then
folders, and
folders.
then RP
RP.
November. Now yeah, now your click on that human icon, human icon.
This human icon.
No, no. Yes, that one. Click that.
Edit.
Edit roles. Here you can add. Just click that roles. Second tab. Don't do that. Don't do
This.
anything. Yes. You can add robots and new roles. New roles. Click on new roles. Down. New
Mm.
plus new roles. Plus new roles. Yeah. You can check. Yeah. Already you have done. You can
Mm-hmm.
check administrator, robot. You can just check box. You have to use check box there.
All of the.
Yeah, you can do add
Oh,
all.
okay.
Go down. There might be robot options.
Yes.
Yeah, click robot. Click aside and assign. Okay, so these all are configuration you have to do in your system, everybody. This is a connection to your UiPath Studio first setting. Now search UiPath, search UiPath assistant. No, not there. At bottom. Search, open that. UiPath assistant. Okay. At
I've already
preference, you can
connected,
click
sir.
on that preferences setting at top. Yeah, just click on or just side. Yeah, preferences setting, orchestrator setting.
Orchestrator setting.
Okay, now guys, you can say your orchestrator is connected to your studio because it is say see you can see It is connected, license, EDR protected, not rejected, etc. So important thing is it should be green always. If it is not green, then that means your studio is not connected to your UiPath orchestrator. But this is connected through service URL. Just click on sign out. Now you should use your machine name and machine URL whenever you want to connect your UiPath Studio to Orchestrator. Just click on service URL option, connection type. Connection type,
Mm,
just drag and drop.
connection type.
You can see at right side. Connection type is service URL. Just select another one.
This one,
Yeah, machine key. You just select machine key.
machine key. Okay.
Uh. Now URL, orchestrator URL you have to select. You can't see. You have to
Mm,
copy from your orchestrator.
orchestrator.
Go into
Okay.
the orchestrator. Copy your URL till orchestrator underscore. URL, you have to copy URL. Go in URL section. At top URL you have to copy. Top.
Copy. Mm,
Yeah. URL you have to copy until you orchestrator underscore.
underscore as well. No.
Yeah. Copy that and paste there. Guys, you might be confused. There are lots of things to do. And machine key, you have to go into machine
Here or above.
upper side machine.
Okay.
Click
Mm,
on machine. Click on right side three dots. Windows OM. Edit machine.
machine.
Go down. You could see machine key. Just copy icon. Copy icon. There is a copy icon. You
Okay.
can just use
Okay.
copy icon. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Go to
Already
your
there.
orchestrator setting. Paste here. Connect. If it is coming as a orange amber color, that means it's not licensed. Okay. Go into your orchestrator. Cancel this one. It may take some time to establish your license. So did you understand the process, guys?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Some people might be confused, sir. There are lots of settings and all. How to do that?
No, no, sir. After watching two, three times, you will catch this, sir.
Yeah, you need sometimes to establish all these connections. Sometimes it immediately gets green color. Sometimes it may take time. So right now you can just check in assistant. Okay, you can just open your UiPath Studio, guys. Yeah, here you have to select your folder. At the bottom you have red color robot error.
This.
Just left side you have to just refresh or disconnect and then you can add. Left side of that. Left side, yes, just select disconnect and then you can just connect. Sign in. Sign in. Continue. Here you have to select your folder. Click that. Mohammed, yeah, click that.
The
It is
first one.
coming as
Workspace. No. First one.
shared. You just select shared. Let's see. because it should come like your folder name.
Okay.
Okay, I think we have selected shared. No problem. No problem. Yeah, that is okay. We have used shared folder. Open main workflow and just check assistant. Click on main open main workflow. Click on
Mm,
open main workflow.
Control new or control shift new?
You have option. Just click that open main workflow.
This one.
Yeah. Now just go into the assistant. I wanted to see whether it's green or not. Click on assistant. Just see assistant. What is the status of assistant?
Connected, sir.
Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Now we can create one small process, any small process. But before that, just take one log message, take one log message. And this task I would like to tell you guys have to do small task. Whatever we understood till now, you can just create small tasks. You five people can work together and just design one task, small task. Log level info, double quote, put process is started. Process is started. Any small process you can design, guys. Now, what process you want to design? Subhash, Rubina, Praveen, Rashmi, you can just take any like small process. I'm telling you, any small one activity is sufficient.
Publish the name, sir. The message box.
Hello. Okay, perfect. Project you have published, but right now I wanted to have one more logs, but no problem. Just go into the orchestrator. Orchestrator. Yeah. Here you can find your package into the tenant and packages. Just click on packages. Packages
Mm,
at top.
Top. Okay.
Aside a tenant, there is a package machine. Aside a machine, right side of machine, that is package. No
Got
package
it,
is
sir.
there. You can click on my workspace.
Mm,
Let me check where you have published. Go into the Yapa Studio. Let me check. Just go into Yapa Studio. Uh, can you please once again publish? Click on publish. So where it is published? Click on next.
mm,
Orchestrator tenant process feed. Close.
Back or close?
Just you can publish once again. Let's see. Click on publish. Okay. Click on OK. No problem. Close. Go into Orchestrator. Refresh. Just give me control.
Okay.
It should directly come at packages. Let us see, because we have used as a shared folder. Sometimes it may take time, but let's see. Okay, that is first method, guys, to directly publish process to your tenant. And one more method I wanted to tell you, that is second method. We can publish our process by using local we can use the local folder that is a custom. You can just select on custom, and here you can select your folder. May I store at desktop?
Yes, yes, please, sir.
So I'm just storing our package in desktop, and here I'm just publishing. No need to have certificate. Guys, this is second method to publish your process. Remember, these are very, very important things. In real time, you might need two different methods to publish your process into Orchestrator. In interview, there might be questions how to publish process in Orchestrator. So already one method is directly publishing into Orchestrator. Second method is we can create NuGet package by using custom option, and we can upload same. So how we could upload? Just you can click on November. Sorry, in tenant we have option that we can use. So you can have upload option. Just click on upload, browse in desktop. We have my project.nup kg packet. Just click on that, and here you have to click. I would like to see which process can be upgraded. So just click on upload. Mohammed, can you please click on upload? I'm not able to click that upload.
Yes, yes. Just a minute, sir.
Close. Great. So you could see here we got one package that is a my first project. That is first step, right? Right now you can understand we have created our first project, or we have created and published. I think by first option it was not coming. There might be other reasons, maybe speed and all. But second, by using second method, we got this package. So after getting this package, we are good to run our process. So how to run our process? That is very important thing. So first thing, whenever you want to run your process on in alternated mode, then first thing is you have to publish your package into the orchestrator. Second step is you have to create a process in orchestrator. So how to create process? So in your folder you have to create process. How we can create? Just click on your folder name, then click on process, click on click on add process, and here you have to select your package. So already we have published our package, so you can just select that package. Then click on next, click on next. Here you have to give the name which you want to see or display in your orchestrator. So we can put as a test process or any name you can put. And here we have process can't be stopped from your path. So these are additional settings. And you can create. So if you want to start from here only, you can just click on start. Otherwise, you can just close here and you can start from your process. But most of times you should start here. That is also good option. And after you want to start from here, you have to mention what is the user name, what is the machine name you want to run. So already we have added machine Windows Home and username that we can use already. No credentials defined. Let me check. Because if you have password for your system, in that password you have to enter. You can just click on down home because I'm not able to click here. Go down because we need password. Okay, just a second, just a second. Give me a second. Give me a second. Account. Just second. Can you just find out what is the password for your process?
Password for process. Where to find, sir?
Also your system password.
System password, no? So do I need 2502? It's a system password.
Because this account is not coming. No credentials defined. That is coming there. Account with no credentials. Credentials are required to run this process. Let me check. So from here we can run the bot, but any user that is okay. We can start from here. Okay. Yes, yes, that is the issue. Credentials. Can you please remove credentials for some time, Mohammed? Hello, Mohammed, are you there? Hello, 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 guys. Am I audible?
Yes,
Hello,
sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Mohammed, are you there?
I think his system is lagging, sir.
Can you please?
The folder and I have added the machine.
Huh?
Now where we need to go, this edit profile we need to do.
Yes. Have you added machine?
Yeah, added machine, sir.
Okay, click on edit.
Here what
Click on
we need to
next.
do. Okay.
Just click on next, no problem. It looks good. Allow unattended robots to run automation. Just check that box. Clear
Sorry, sir.
from
My
there.
Update.
broadband was down, sir.
No problem, no problem. So, do you want to connect once again, or in next session we'll connect?
No, no, it's now restored, sir.
Okay. So next thing is uh, machine is added. Now user, you have to just click on three dots. User, in user, you have to just click on three dots. Three dots. Three
Okay.
dots. You have done. Sorry, so you have done just. You can
Yes,
click
sir.
on edit, assign roles. Human.
Okay.
Icon. And you can just add roles.
This way, sir.
You have to just click on three dots and right click. Go back. Leave page. Leave page.
This one, right, sir?
Yes.
Do you want me to share my screen because Rubina has to start from all over, so it will take time. If
Yeah. Just second. As he completes, we can.
okay, no worries, sir.
Assign, sir, right?
Yes, assign.
Done, sir.
Orchestrator setting. Just click on assistant. Search assistant, and you can just make setting as per search assistant.
Okay.
Write it down.
The UI path assistant, right, sir?
Yes, you are path assistant.
So
You are not signing. Okay, sign in. I think that is different one. You can go down. Just close this one. Go down. Search assistant at down. It should be there. So click on assistant. Yeah.
This
Okay,
one.
you are not signing. It's difficult. Okay. Uh, First we'll finish from our side, Rubina, like
Okay, sir.
running the process. Then we can check your issue. Just
Yes.
Mohammed, share your screen. Mohammed, have you changed like removed your password?
uh, password, system password.
Yeah, you have to just remove your password for some time because it is asking password and we don't want to use that.
Mm,
Password from your system password you have to remove. You can stop your sharing and you can do that.
okay.
Meanwhile, Rubina, you can just share your screen.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it's visible. Yeah, so you can continue with now. No, wait. You can
Okay.
continue. Already you have created account by using Google, Gmail, or Microsoft.
G-
You can just continue with
Gmail.
Google.
Gmail.
Yes, continue with Google.
Okay.
You can just use which username you're using. Yeah,
Okay.
that is that better.
I would just Okay.
I think it's first time you are creating. Okay, just
Okay.
create organization, no problem. For eyes.
Full name.
No, you can put your name, no problem. Rashmi, that is sufficient.
Okay.
Your full name is sufficient. Rashmi,
Okay.
India, just type I.
Okay.
Maharashtra.
Next.
Next. For eyes.
What, sir?
Type something. FOURIC.
Hello.
Hello. FOURISC. For rise. Okay, no problem. Rise, that is also better. Create organization. Okay, now Rashmi, your account is
Default
ready.
tenant is there.
Yeah. Don't worry about that. You can click on orchestrator.
Okay.
Left side. Do you have password for your system?
Yes, sir.
Okay, click start or close that. Close that. That is not necessary.
Exit.
Exit. Yeah. Okay, now
Reset
you
the
are good.
password, sir.
Okay. Rashmi, now I think you are good. You can go ahead. But
Okay.
wait,
Okay.
wait.
Okay. Okay.
We can come back with you after we will complete first process today. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir. No problem.
Mohammed, just share your screen. Okay, now click on process. Click on play button. Start. Start job.
Pending state unless running connection conditions are met.
I have you restarted the system?
Uh, Not yet, sir. Do I need to restart the system so that the settings
Yes,
will
yes,
apply
yes,
now?
yes,
I will
yes.
restart, sir. Give me 5 minutes.
Okay. Meanwhile, Rashmi, you share your screen.
Okay, sir.
Rubina, have you done? Praveen, what is your status?
Yes, so mine I have logged into assistance, sir. In orchestrator settings, I have to go, right?
Okay, yeah, you just follow the same what we have done. Praveen, do you have any question? Praveen, your voice is very low. Yeah, just create one folder, Rashmi. Click on plus symbol of folder. Just give me control. I'll do that for you.
Also, when I went to orchestrator configuration, it is already showing me green connected license EDR protection.
Let me check. Just give me some time.
Okay.
So this folder is created, Rashmi, for you. RPA
Yes,
November.
yes.
That is first step.
Okay, sir.
Second step is after creating folders, we need to add a machine. So to add machines, again, you have to go into the machine.
Machine. Yes.
And here you can add machine. So what machines you want to add? You can add standard machine.
Standard machine. Yes.
And here name what
Windows.
to put here. For that you have to go into your search box, type command, and then you have to find out what is your username. So to find out username, you can use who am I, and this is your user name. Who am I?
Okay.
You can copy and come here back. Nice. Okay. And you can put here. Description is not mandatory. You can just put production bot
One.
as a one.
One, huh? Testing is one.
Testing as a one. Now your work is finished.
Wait.
What happened? It's done or not?
Yes, yes.
Okay, close. Now your machine is added to your tenant, but you have to assign that in a machine, your folder. So again, you have to click on folder. In folder,
Okay.
sorry, you have to go into the tenant first, then folders, and then your manage folder. And in manage folder, you have to click on your folder. This
Okay.
sequence you have to remember, and then in machine, you have to assign one machine. Click on manage machine. Add, sorry, already machine is there. Sorry. Just check out that machine name. Update. My speed of talking is faster than the actions that we are doing. So you have to just update the machines. That is first step. Then click on user, and in user you have to add edit
Wait.
the permissions for unattended. Here you have to click on next. Again next. You have to check for allow unattended. Click on next. Update. After updating,
Okay.
one more thing you have to do with your account, that is you have to add other permissions. Edit role. In edit role, you can use automation user, personal workspace,
As well as
administrator,
administrator, yes.
robot, and you have to click aside and assign. So these settings are primarily done. Then you have to go into the assistant.
UiPath Assistant.
UiPath assistant. Just open that UiPath assistant.
Preference.
In preference, but you haven't signed in, so you have to just click on sign in.
Yes.
Yes, it's done. Then you have to use preferences.
Next.
Preferences. Rashmi, for you, I'll not connect with machine. I'll put the same only for showing you how we can run the bot. Okay, is that works?
Okay, sir. Okay, okay, sir.
I'll just run simple bot because this is very crucial for you to at least run one bot.
Okay, okay.
I'll not make settings as per machine. I'll just run one simple bot. Any bot which is available to run, or may I create new one?
Instant manipulation.
Okay, I'll create, no worries. I'll
Okay, okay, okay,
create new one.
okay. simply one activity we have to take, na?
Any one activity just for testing purpose.
Okay. Okay, okay.
I want to show you how we can run process in Orchestrator by using Orchestrator. So I'll take
Okay.
only one message
Okay, okay.
box.
Okay.
Okay,
Hmm. Well,
let me run.
behind behind
Whether
the
it's running, that is important. We should check whether it's running properly or not. Then only we can publish that in Orchestrator. Okay, it's
kitchen
running
मध्ये
well.
आहे बघ.
Now we can publish that in Orchestrator. How to publish? Just you can click on publish. Package name you can put as it is, test. Next, Orchestrator personal space, or we have a tenant.
Custom, huh?
We can use anyone. Let us see whether
Okay.
it's coming to your Orchestrator. If it's not coming, then we can upload the package.
Okay.
Okay, let us go into the tenant package. Yes, we got one package here.
Yes.
Now we can create one process. To create process, you have to go into the your folder. In folder, you can create one process, but again you have issue with your system password.
Okay.
Let's see what happens. Version is 1.0. Display name test. Start now.
Hmm.
Again, since your password is there, this will not
Okay.
run.
Okay, sir.
So for that you have to change the password, or you have to remove that password. Otherwise we
Okay,
have
sir.
to change in the setting. Let me click on folder. Uh, Rubina, do you have password to your system?
Yes, sir.
So for that you need to update your password. Let me update your password here. Username. Okay, you can use username and password here. Rashmi,
Okay, sir.
wait. I'll do that. What is password? You can put here.
Okay, sir. Gmail, na?
No. Your system password.
Okay, okay. Yes, sir.
4 digit. Guys, you can update password from like domain user interface. Rubina, you can check.
Okay.
Rubina,
Yes, sir. I'll check.
you can check.
साबण वगैरे द्यायचं म्हणली का? किचन मध्ये दिलेत ना? ग्लास वगैरे काय द्यायचं नाही ना. कप ते सगळे दे. सगळं द्यायचं. बेसिक मध्ये जे आहे ना ते सगळं दे. हो.
It should run. From job panel also you can start running your bot. Let me check the connection.
Yes, it's green, sir. Okay.
We haven't updated our machine. We have to update. Let me update this setting. Rubina, can you set your password by using machine name is different, na?
Yes, yes.
We have to copy again that orchestrator URL.
Up to underscore, right?
Yes. Rubina, you can try from your side and
Okay.
let us know. You can follow the same method.
Okay.
In that three dots, user three dots, I will go and update, right, sir?
Yes, yes,
Edit roles.
yes, perfect. Machine key we have to update here, Rashmi.
Machine key. Okay.
This machine key we have to copy.
Yes. Connect. Yes, invalid.
Name default tenant HTTP is invalid. Arre baap. Let us see. Hmm, okay, we have to just change the name
Okay.
of tenant. We haven't done anything in our main setting. Here default tenant is coming.
Yes.
Just a second. Let me copy perfect because
Up to underscore.
yeah, up to underscore we have to copy. But where we got HTTP, nothing was there related to HTTP.
Yes. machine key.
Sometimes it's taking time.
Yes. Machine name isn't small, no sir?
Machine name is small.
Huh?
Okay. It is okay. Yes, yes,
Okay,
yes.
okay.
You can see your bot is running perfectly.
Okay.
There might be 3 bots already we have triggered and it's running well.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
As machine is connected, your bot started running. Now you can just deploy your bots and you can run Rashmi as per your convenience.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, can I share my screen?
Yes. Rashmi, did you
Yes, yes.
understand what we do?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Where we need to change the credentials here?
Edit.
In this, it is not editable, sir.
Just click next. Click next. Click next. Here you have to change, like use a specific window user
Okay.
credentials.
Yes, yes, yes.
And here you have to use who EMI's username and password.
This domain name, my system name I need to give?
Yes, who am I? You have to search out who am I and that you
Yes,
have
yes, yes. Okay. That's it, sir.
just update. Now you can run your bot.
Nine.
Have you published this one?
No, sir.
Publish.
Dining hall मध्ये. Dining hall मध्ये.
Next. Now Rashmi will explain next all people. If anybody is facing issue, Rashmi will explain. Yeah, publish. Publish. Okay. Just go into in packages, tenant and packages. Go into packages. Just see if package is coming there or not. Package
No.
didn't come here.
Hmm.
Go into your App Studio. Studio.
Okay.
In Studio.
Hmm.
Here you have to publish once again. And you can just store at locally. Maybe next. Yeah, here you are. Just click on tenant process. Tenant. Yeah, first one.
Yes.
Publish. Okay. Now click on package, tenant package.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now you can just create one process in your folder. RPA training. First click create process, add process, select package, click next, click next, click next.
Create, sir.
Wait. You can put a display name as a test or whatever you wanted to put. Create. Start now. Search your username, any account. You can start. You can use start. Start.
Machine also.
Yes. Start. Right.
The job has been queued.
Go into assistant. UiPath assistant. Search here. Yeah. Here you have to select your machine and all. Here you have to make setting. Sign out. Just click on sign out. Service URL. In place of that, you just use machine key. Copy that URL and you can paste here. Machine orchestrator URL. Go in orchestrator. Copy until orchestrator underscore. Rashmi, you have to guide.
Yes. Up to underscore.
You can put underscore, yeah. And machine key you have to copy from
Machine key from
command.
where to
Command, na? Command from.
No, from there machine name is system name is.
Click on tenant and then click on machine. Tenant
Okay.
machine.
Huh.
Machine. Click on your machine, 3 dots. First machine, 3 dots. Edit machine.
Edit.
Copy. Go down.
Machine
Copy
key,
that.
copy.
You can copy by icon. Connect. Perfect. Okay. Click aside. Click aside. Now you can run your bot once again.
So again, I need to publish, sir.
No.
Need to go to
Just
process.
go into process. Yeah, already it's run.
Yes.
It was pending, so it started running. First process to
Yes.
publish. You can run one number of times.
So we'll go
Now
here
click on
and
job.
then.
Click on job.
Okay.
From here you can run multiple times. Just 3 dots. Click on 3 dots.
Okay, 3 dots.
One process you can just click on restart. Click on start last. No need to select anything. Just click on start.
Okay. Yes, sir.
So same process you can run multiple times. Okay.
So every time we'll create one process there in studio and we'll publish, and in processes we need to come and run the this.
Can you please come again?
Every time we'll create a process in studio, sir. We'll create a bot in studio and we'll publish from there in Orchestrator, and we'll come to this our folder and we'll go to processes, and there we need to trigger the we need to start the.
Yes, but publishing is one-time process, and let's see, you have developed one bot and you have to deploy into production. That is one-time task, and running the bot is you can schedule. Let's consider you want to run this bot every 5 minutes. Then we have a scheduler for that. We have a trigger for that. I would like to explain that afterwards. But
Okay.
Deploying is one-time process.
Okay, means publish from studio we'll do only once. After that, whatever we
Yes.
have to do in this orchestrator only.
Yeah, perfect.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I'll explain you how trigger we can create and how to deal with trigger I hope you everybody understood how to publish the process in Orchestrator. Praveen, Praveen, are you good with the Orchestrator?
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's see. I wanted to run this test process every 1 minute. Okay, that is my task. Then how we can do that? So that for doing that we have a trigger option. Just click on trigger.
On top only, sir.
Yeah. No,
Okay.
at right side of job.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And here you can click on add a trigger, add a new trigger. So when you are clicking on add a trigger in interview, there might be a question, what are different triggers available in UiPath Orchestrator? So basically there are two types of triggers available. First one is a time-based trigger and second one is a queue-based trigger. So time-based triggers are triggers where we can schedule our bot at certain time. For example, at a 12, at a 30, at 13, 14, 15, we can assign our time to our bot. That is time-based trigger. And second one is a queue-based trigger. So queue-based trigger is the trigger where we have data to run at that moment it will run. So queue-based trigger you can understand after completing queue type, queue part of this orchestrator. Don't worry about this queue-based trigger. Time-based trigger I will explain and you can easily understand. So you have to create a trigger as per your required time. And for that you can give the name. You can click on name tab and put any name. Trigger, you can put like minutely trigger or trigger minute.
Okay.
So we can understand because we can't wait 5 minutes. I was expecting to run after 5 minutes, but let's see. Minute trigger. You can select the process name. Test. Now
Yes, sir.
there are other options also how you want to run. At right side you could see minutes, hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, advanced. So you can select minutes because we wanted to see how what happens if we could select minutely trigger. So don't do
Yes, sir.
anything in that. Just click on
Yeah.
minutes only. And when you
Yes.
want to run every 1 minute, every 2 minutes, you can put that. Depends on your choice. Go down.
Yes, sir.
Every minute that is sufficient because we want to see
Yeah.
what account you can choose and machine you can choose as per your available machines and available account. And just add. And just wait, guys. We'll do. Click on OK. So after 1 minute, again you can see same message. Just wait for 1 minute.
This account and the machine name every time we need to select, or while running in process we didn't select it, right? So
This is again one-time process. You have to just create trigger only one time, and it will follow automatically.
okay.
Just wait for 1 minute. Every 1 minute, this
Yeah.
trigger will run.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, after 1 minute, it started again popping a message. So most of times, this type of requirement comes in. Let us consider. You can just disable this trigger. At three dots, just click on three dots. You can put disable.
Okay. So this is the way to stop the trigger if we have to.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now again add a new trigger. Yeah. Here we have some fixed option like minutes, hourly, daily, weekly, monthly. Go down. And there is one option advanced. Click on advanced. So in advanced, the requirement is like I have to run the bot hourly or daily or weekly. That is the condition. But I don't want to run the bot same format. I want to run the bot week, like second week of every month. I don't want to run every weekly. I wanted to run only second week of every month. So whenever there are complex requirements, in that case, our regular triggers are not used, like minutes, hour, these are not used. We have to use advanced trigger. And by using cron expression, we can make that. So what is cron expression? So cron expressions are used to customize the triggers as per our expected time. So in just browser, just open one tab and you can just search cron expression. Yeah. So in cron expression, you can just click any cron expression, any website, because there are lots of websites available. Yes. So cron expression, what is basically it tells us there are 7 digits, and you, as per your requirements, you can put and you can customize your trigger. So you could see, you can refer this cron expression website and you can customize. But this is like a complex type of requirement. You can use all these websites to create your cron expression trigger. But in high level, you should understand what is difference between triggers, how to do advanced types of triggers, etc. Till now, I hope you are clear with trigger concept.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Go to the back site of your orchestrator. Another one is a
Okay.
log. Click on RP training. Yeah. Click on RP training. Leave. So another important point with this is logs. So logs already we have seen. Whenever we are running our process, you can see the logs. I think we haven't used logs in our process. Otherwise, we could see the logs. Rubina, can you create one process and you can add the 2 to 3 logs so that we can see that one? You can
Log
use
message,
first
right,
log
sir?
as process has been started, and after that the message box you can use process has been stopped. You can add 3 to 4 logs, message box started to print, or like that, whatever you want. Add 3 to 4 logs. Okay, now you can publish. Double quote is missing in your log message. After message box, you can move your log. That is process finished.
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. Now you can publish. Whenever you are doing any changes, you should publish your process. And the version, you can see version should be new version. Previously it was 1.0.2, it's 3 right now.
Yes, sir.
Next, publish. Change that as a tenant.
It is only showing custom, sir.
Go back. Go next. Now select that in place of custom select.
It is only showing
It's
custom.
not coming.
Earlier it was showing in the when we
Yes,
published
yes.
that.
Yes. Just click on back again. Or you can just publish anywhere, no problem. You can just
It will show. But here it is showing a red. I mean, some.
No problem. That you have to select a path. Click on that folder icon. Download somewhere in desktop and you can upload afterwards. Desktop, select any folder. Select folder, just publish. Go in your orchestrator. Go into the package, tenant package.
Yes, sir.
Upload package. Browse. Where you are stored?
Demo. Where it will be. I also forgot, sir, what is the
The
password.
it should be a default password where your process are saved, no, in Studio. Search for that one path. Demo 15 or something like that, Rubina.
Yeah, it was
Yeah.
demo 15.
You have created
15
device folder.
underscore.
We can check the folder name from here,
Yeah,
right, sir?
yes, yes.
Yeah, you have folder.
Go right. Yes, on there. And see the
15
path what
underscore
it's.
21.
This
Yeah,
Which
you
one
have
is?
package. Yeah, here we go. Demo 15. That is your package.
Yes, sir.
Go in your pass orchestrator. I'll show you. Orchestrator.
Pro.
Go into your, yeah, just paste that path. That is sufficient.
Yes, open,
Select
right?
that package. Select that package. Select that package.
This one.
Then click on open. Click open. I would like to upgrade. Just click check that and then upload. Go down. One process can be upgraded. So select that one. Click that. Upgrade. Okay, yes. Now you can run that process. Same job you can run now. Automatically you are, just click on three dots.
No, not this one.
Play button.
You can run.
Which one?
Three dots run. Three dots and run. No. Just click on, go into the RP training.
Folder.
Process, right, sir?
Tenant.
Tenant, I need to go or RPA training folder?
RPA training.
Yes, sir, it's
Click on
RPA
process.
training.
Yeah, click on
Yes.
process. Click on
In
process. Click on job. Click on job.
Okay.
And you can just restart from three dots.
But sir, it is a test. It is showing. Oh, okay. The name was test only.
It is automatically updated. No worries. No need to worry.
Okay.
That test is assigned already that package. Just start. Click OK. Now just click on three dots.
Again?
Yes. I wanted to show you logs. View logs. Now you can see our all logs are coming there.
Yes, sir.
Process started, process is running, process finished. And two
Yes.
logs by default comes: test process name execution started and process execution ended. These are by default logs. Whenever any process is running, these two logs automatically comes. We have added three logs: process started, process running, process finished. Got it?
Yes, yes. Yes.
So whenever you are designing your process, you should add your logs appropriately whenever necessary, because that is the method to trace out where our process reached.
Hmm.
Got it?
Yes, sir. So every 1 minute, if we add a trigger, sir, every 1 minute it will run. So this log will also generate every time.
Yes, yes. Whenever you are running, you will get all these logs.
Okay. Hmm.
Any questions?
No, sir.
Okay, then we are good for today. Tomorrow we'll cover asset and queue concept. Those are very important topic which requires in our next advanced topic, that is RA framework. Tomorrow don't miss any like it's very important session. Queues and triggers we are going to cover.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Okay, fine. Then let's conclude today's session. It was really nice session. I'm very happy because till now,
Can see.
yes, yes, Praveen. What is a challenge? What is the issue you are facing?
Uh, I have uploaded this leap year previous program, and
Mhm.
I have triggered. I have given 1 minute triggered, but it's not showing anything here. The
I
folder is changed, I think.
you don't have process actually in your orchestrator.
No. I have added the process, and previously it was showing it, but now I think the folder is changed, and I'm not finding that option to change the folder.
Just click on orchestrator.
Yes, sir. I have clicked on it.
Yeah. So in orchestrator, your folder structure is different, Praveen. So what I
Yes, yes,
feel,
sir.
yeah, click on tenant.
I'm not finding tenant two.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Sorry. Just
Admin.
I got it, sir.
Oh, good, good. It's there.
Click on folders. Click on first orchestrator project. Click on orchestrator. Yeah.
So this first orchestrator project,
Click
and
on packages. I feel you don't have packages. Yeah, you don't have package. Trigger one
yes, sir.
minute create a process. Yeah, this is your okay. You have already published. Just second. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have published,
Yes,
and
sir. I have
what is
published it,
okay?
but it's not triggering. I have given 1 minute trigger, but
Go
it's showing
go
some
into
error.
your folder. Not that actually. Go back.
Back orchestrator.
Yes, in orchestrator. And now your folder. Yeah, expand that. Click on your folder.
Yes, sir.
Click on process. No, down. Yes, click on process. Now you can run.
How
In
to run,
jobs,
sir?
in jobs
Jobs.
you can already. I think you have created.
I've done 2-3 times. It's
Yeah,
showing
it
pending,
is
and
going into the pending because do you
yes, sir.
have password for your system?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is the reason.
That's why.
Then what to do, sir?
You have to either remove that password or otherwise you have to go into your folder. Just go into the folder.
this
tenant
tenant
folder
folder.
and then in your folder, tenant folder and then your folder. In user, just right click on three dots. Edit, edit. Click on edit. Go next. Click on next.
Just
Click on next. Click on user specific Windows credential. Oh no, back. Use specific Windows user account. Here you have to use username and password. For username, who am I? You will get your username.
okay, sir.
And password, whatever you have password. You can copy that. Control C. Go into your orchestrator. Put password.
Yes, sir.
Update.
Updated, sir.
Yeah. Assistant. Just check assistant is connected. UiPath assistant. Click on assistant. Preferences. Orchestrator setting.
It is connected, sir.
Sign out. Just click on sign out. Check service URL. Change service URL. Copy your orchestrator URL. This up to orchestrator you have to copy. Machine key. Copy. Put as it is. No worries. Just change. Yes. Already you have. Don't worry. Just click. Select that cloud. Select that cloud. Password. Machine is key. I think already that is there. Okay. Connect. Now it will run. Go into your app studio. Sorry, orchestrator.
Now I have to go to processes and
Yeah. Yeah, it started running.
yes, sir,
Enter your
yes.
year. Enter year. This is not leap year. Okay, I think
Okay.
you are done.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
No problem. Perfect. I think everybody has done right now. I'm very happy today. It's great achievement for all of us.
Sir, how to stop the trigger?
You can go into the triggers. Click on triggers. You have trigger. Fourth option. No. Click on triggers, and you can just
Triggers.
click on three dots. Right side three dots. You have three dots, and disable that.
Disable. Okay. Okay, sir. Done.
Perfect. Thank you guys. Then let's catch up tomorrow.
Thank you so much.